Are you looking for best home Wi-Fi system for your home? Look no further. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best home Wi-Fi system. These Wi-Fi systems are made of high-quality materials and are designed to keep your home safe and protected. So let's get started with the list. List number 1. TP-Link Deco X55 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 Mesh System. Covers up to 6,500 square feet. Experience TP-Link Deco X55 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 Mesh System. Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Wi-Fi. Next-Gen Wi-Fi 6 AX3000 Whole Home Mesh System to eliminate weak Wi-Fi for good. 2x2 HE160 2402 Mbps plus 2x2 574 Mbps. Whole home Wi-Fi coverage. Covers up to 6,500 square feet with seamless high-performance Wi-Fi 6 and eliminate dead zones and buffering. Better than traditional Wi-Fi booster and range extenders. List number 2. TP-Link Deco BE25 Dual Band BE5000 Wi-Fi 7 Mesh Wi-Fi System, 4-stream 5 gigapix. Experience TP-Link Deco BE25 Dual Band BE5000 Wi-Fi 7 Mesh Wi-Fi System, 4-stream 5 gigapix. Supercharged with 4-stream dual-band Wi-Fi 7 up to 5 gigapix. Achieve full speeds of up to 4,324 megapix on the 5 GHz band and 688 megapix on the 2.4 GHz band with 4 streams. Experience incredible performance with multi-link operation MLO, 4K QAM, and multi-RUs. Ideal for maximizing the capabilities of your latest Wi-Fi 7 devices, including the newest iPhone and gaming consoles. List number 3. TP-Link DECO XE75 AXE5400 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6E Mesh System. Wi-Fi up to 7,200 square feet. Experience TP-Link DECO XE75 AXE5400 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6E Mesh System. Wi-Fi 6E Tri-Band Mesh Wi-Fi cover up to 7,200 square feet with next-gen seamless Wi-Fi and make dead zones and buffering a thing of the past. 1. 2. Brand new 6 GHz band. Experience the latest frequency of Wi-Fi, eliminating interference from all legacy devices. The 6 GHz band can work as a backhaul to ensure stable connections between nodes by default. You can switch it to Wi-Fi network mode and connect your Wi-Fi 6E compatible devices to 6 GHz network. List number 4. TP-Link Deco M5 Mesh Wi-Fi System. Up to 5. Experience TP-Link Deco M5 Mesh Wi-Fi System, up to 5. If you're looking to ditch your traditional router extender setup for a whole home Wi-Fi system, put the TP-Link Deco M5 Wi-Fi system on your short list. PC Mag said, better coverage than traditional Wi-Fi routers. Deco M5 uses 3 units working seamlessly to create a mesh network that can cover homes up to 5,500 square feet. No dead zone anymore. List number 5. TP-Link Deco X55 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 Mesh System. Covers up to 4,500 square feet. Experience TP-Link Deco X55 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 Mesh System. Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Wi-Fi. Next-Gen Wi-Fi 6 AX3000 Whole Home Mesh System to eliminate weak Wi-Fi for good. 2x2 HE160 2402 Mbps plus 2x2 574 Mbps. Whole home Wi-Fi coverage. Covers up to 4,500 square feet with seamless high-performance Wi-Fi 6 and eliminate dead zones and buffering, better than traditional Wi-Fi booster and range extenders.